couch.me guitar lessons. Hey there, Licknriffers, and welcome back to yet another awesome arrangement lesson here on Licknriff, in which we're going to learn the bombastic 80s classic Total Eclipse of the Heart. There's no song quite like it, is there? So first I'm going to play with the arrangement so you can see and hear how it goes, and then we're going to break it down lick by lick, note by note, with tabs right here on the screen as usual. It goes like this. Enjoy. Alright, so mercifully, this begins with A minor. It begins with the easiest of chords, and before we dive into learning the arrangement, I would like to remind you of the guitar giveaway that's going on right now. The Licknriff Summer Guitar Giveaway is on right now. All the details are below in the description. You can check it out when you go download the tab for free. All the tabs on Licknriff are always free, so you can check out all the details for my summer enrollment special for my Break Your Boundaries program. You can enroll and join, and you might win a Blue Lava Digital Smart Guitar, a fantastic acoustic guitar with built-in effects and a built-in amp. It's a fantastic instrument, and you might be the new Break Your Boundaries member who actually wins this guitar at the end of the summer. So check it out. All the details are below in the description, and also when you go download the tab, you can scroll down. All right, so A minor. Okay, and basically, you can start right away with the melody. Okay, it's 2 on the 3rd string, 0, 1 on the 2nd. Okay, you can play the chord right along with it. Okay, and then you have 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0 on the 2nd string. Okay, you can pull it off. Then you have G, it's 3, 0, 0 on the 2nd string. And then the 3rd string, you can hammer on 2 on the 3rd string to start the next line. Okay, it's 2 on the 3rd string and the open 2nd string 3 times, and then it's 2, 0 on the 3rd string. So you can pull it off. Okay, you can pull it off just like you can hammer it on at the beginning. So it's and then G. Okay, you can hammer it on at the beginning and pull it off at the end. So now this line comes around twice, so you repeat it. Then you have C. Okay, it's 1, 3 on the 2nd string and then the open E string. And then it's the E string 3 more times, and you can leave the add 9 to harmonize. Okay? 0 and 3 on strings 1 and 2. So it's... And then it's 1 1 0 with B flat. Okay, it's 1 1 0 on the first string with B flat. So it's the bar, okay, that goes off. Okay, you lift the bar, you leave 1 on the 5th string because you want the B flat bass to keep going. And then 3 on the 2nd string. So it's 0 0. So it's 1 1 0 on the first string with B flat, and then 3 on the 2nd string, and then okay, it's 3 3 3 3 3 1 on the 2nd string, and then you go back to C. So it's and then again. You have a very nice position for the next chord. Okay, look what's going on here. Now, all you need to do, basically, is to add your little finger on 4 on the 2nd string, and you have the next chord. Okay, so it's E flat. It's strings 2, 3, and 4. Okay, on 4, 3, 1. Okay, and you have... Okay, then you have 1 on the first string, and you have 3 on the first string. Okay, so you're on B flat, and then you put the little finger back on, but on 4. Okay, so you have to let go of it again, but okay, you can harmonize with the 3rd string to mask the fact that this note stops. Okay, you can do this. Okay, you can harmonize with the 3rd string. This is pretty much the most advanced chord in this whole arrangement. This one and the next, because you have this. Okay, now this is not an advanced chord. This is just A major 7. It's A flat major 7. Sorry, it's A flat major 7. You play the same note again. You have 3, okay, on the first string, and you put 3, 4, and 5, okay, on strings 1, 2, and 3. 3, 4, and 5 with your thumb on 4 on the bass. Okay, this is A flat major 7. You play the chord, and then play strings 2 and 3 again, okay? And then you have this. Okay, it's 3, 3, 3, 3, 3 on the first string, and 6, 4, 6 on the 2nd. Okay, you can let go of the chord if you want. Okay, so it's... Okay, you can play it as a solo, and then you go back to E flat. Okay, you play it again, and then you have G. Okay, you're back to normal chords. You just play G, 3 on the first string, and then you have, okay, it's 3, 3, and then 2 with E minor, meaning open strings. Strings 1, 2, 3, and 6. And then 3, 5, I slide, 2 again, and then you have C again with 3 on the first string. Okay, so it's G, E minor, C. And then I have the same line, but with different chords. And then D, okay, for 2. And then instead of C, you have G. So, okay, you have G with 2, 3 on the first string. Okay, so it's... Okay, for a moment there, you have G major 7. So if you put the same shape, you get G major 7. So the same shape as A flat. Okay, it's Okay, but here on a G chord you have open strings. So, and then you have, okay, 7/7 with E minor. So again, open strings. Okay. Any way you want to play this line, it's just a descending scale. It's 7/5/3/2. And then you have C major 7, okay, meaning that you don't play the one on the second string. You have the open second string, so it's just the bass and 3/2/0 on the first string. Okay, you can pull it off. You can just pick it, okay, and then D to C major 7 again. Okay, this again, and then you have D. Just D again. Okay? And now you go to the next part. Okay? The next part for me is when it changes its rhythm. Okay? The rhythm motif. So it's just C with 3 on the first string. And then it's D with 5 on the first string. So you can play barred. Okay, you can do C with 3, D with 5. You can just play the bass. Okay, any way you want is fine. Then you have 7s again on E minor. Okay, and then it's 7/7/7/7/7, and then 5, and then 8 on the second string. Now, why not 3? Because you need A major. Okay, in a second. So, okay, and then you're right here. So it's 7/7/7/5, and then 8 on the second string for E minor, and then A, which is 5/5/6 with the fifth string, and then okay, it's 5 hammer on to 7/5 on the first string, and then 8 pull off to 5 on the second string. You still have the chord on. Okay, you play the solos with your third finger or your little finger. Okay? Then you have G. And then I have D. Okay, but it's 7s. It's 7/7/7 on strings 1, 2, and 3. It's D6. Okay, with the open D string. Okay, so you play the chord and then 10, 10, 8 on the second string, and then 7 on the first string again. Okay, now this technically is an advanced chord, D6, but there's nothing advanced about 7/7/7. Okay, so don't let the name of the chord make you think that this is some sort of a difficult chord, because it's just a half bar. And then you have the same E minor and A lines. Okay, and A. And then you have, okay, it's the same solo for E minor, but as a solo. You don't have a chord. It's 7/7/7/5 on the first string, and then 8 on the second string. And then you have this. It's G with 7 on the first string. Now, if this is difficult for you to put 3 and 7 together, just play G over D. Just play 7 on the first string with strings 2, 3, and 4 open. Okay, this is also a G chord. Okay, so okay, it works just as well. You don't have to play the G bass. And then you have the D again with 7/7/7. And then it's 7/7 on the first string, 10/8/7 on the second string. Okay, so it's, and then you have C with 3/2/0 on the first string. So you can play C major 7 again. And then you have, okay, it's a solo with the D bass. 7/7/7/5 again on the first string, and 8/7 on the second. And then the final part, again, it changes rhythm. Okay, so I'm playing G with 3 and 3 on strings 1 and 2, because the 3 on the first string ends the previous line, and the 3 on the second string starts the new line. Okay, so listen to it. So it's one chord. It's G. With 3 and 3 on strings 1 and 2. And you play 3, 3, 3, 3, 3 on the second string. And then 3, 0 on the second string with E minor. Okay, so I play the open third string. And 3 slide to 5 on the second string. So it's G and E minor. And then you have B7. Okay, so it's B7 with the open second string 3 times and then 1, 0 on the second string. And then 2 on the third string. And then C. And you play the head of the chord. You play strings 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so it's... And then... it's simpler than I was going for. It's A minor 7. It's A minor with the open third string. And you play strings 2, 3, and 5. Okay, for the chord. And then it's the third string twice, fourth once, third string once. Okay, you can play the whole line, but I'm trying to be subtle here. So it's, okay, so I'm just playing a redacted version of the lyrics. And then you have this. Okay, it's 4 and 5 on strings 4 and 5. This is the head of a D chord. Bring me the head of a D chord. Okay, and you play 4, 4, 5, 7 on the D string. Okay, if you reached this point of the lesson and you heard the joke, comment on it. I want to see who's brave enough to reach the ends of Licknriff lessons. Okay, and it's okay, it's 4, 4, 5, 7 on the D string, 5, 4, and G with the third string as your ending note. So even though this song is long and it changes keys and it changes rhythms, it's still a pretty playable and pretty easy, for the most part, guitar arrangement. So go download the tab. The link is below in the description. The tab is for free. And while you're there, scroll down and check out the summer enrollment for my Break Your Boundaries program and the Licknriff Summer Guitar Giveaway. You might be the one to win the Blue Lava Digital Smart Guitar. So I'm looking forward to see you inside. And in the meantime, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe. And I will see you in the next lesson. Bye for now. Have fun. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.